But this is the room. I'm working on it. This is gonna be the new studio. Video on that coming soon. It's gonna be a big video. You know, I'm working on every little aspect, every little thing. But this is the room. This is where I'm gonna be staying in. It's a larger space for content creation. But I'm gonna do the best I can to give you guys a realistic scenario on what I would be doing, like just living my daily life. But anyway, this is gonna be recorded in 4K, 60 frames per second, and also stereo recording or stereo microphones are enabled. And right now I'm using a front-facing camera that only goes up to 1080p, 30 frames per second. I just go, I accelerate. And we just keep on going. Nah. You gotta step on the grip tape. Nah, the grip tape. Yeah.
That's all I'm stepping on.
Bro, those Jordans, bro, that remind me of high school when they run in my locker and stole my J's. Bro, they went in my locker. Wait, whoa. If you want a skateboard, you gotta use my code. It's fun. Now keep in mind, the front facing camera is 1080p at 30 frames. So you gotta, it's a give and take. 4K in the rear, 1080p on the front. I'll take it. But yeah, you can still see the clouds. It's still not too overexposed. I'm still making out good. Tommy's on the Riptide. Shout out to Tommy, my producer. You know, he sent me some beats. Shout out to MKBHD for using the beats. I appreciate that. Damn, you cruising now. Tommy on the skateboard, man. Whoa. All right, this is the max it can go in terms of zoomage. So just keep that in mind. Shout out to K-Mall, gave me the AirPods. You know what I'm saying? Remember that video where I lost my AirPods and he gave me some AirPods? He's teaching his girl how to drive for the first time. Got that Mazda, okay. So I don't know, it's her first ever time driving. So I'm curious to see. I even gave him that dash cam. You guys see that dash cam? I gave him that. Damn, you letting it rip, huh? Let it rip on that Riptide. Use code SimplyPops -100 to get $100 off. They got a perfect song. You guys got a perfect song playing right now. Right foot up, left foot slide. They teach you how to use the gas pedals. Sitting down and riding.
Yeah, bro, that shit that ass fun, bro. You can do that ass vlog too, you got one hand.
We're gonna cruise. Yo, this is different. Woo. You could just do it. Yo, this is different. That's why you need to get an electric skateboard, Riptide. That's different, man. You can sit down, cruise out, smooth pavement. It's really not that much zoom going on, but if I take my 11 Pro Max, I can get a pretty clear shot up close. But this is only on the SE 2020. Man, look at my hair. That Rona Fro is getting serious. I need a haircut immediately. But anyway, oh, let me get out of here. I got a lot of echo. This is the new room, by the way. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment. And I appreciate all of the love on my previous video talking about 2020 and racism and the police brutality. Make sure you guys watch that video. And yeah, peace out.